Ladies and gentlemen, the 488 Pista.
It's the driving emotion we look at first. We can build cars that are the lightest, the fastest, and the most performing in the market. Sometimes in the past we did, but our special series, even if they are called Pista, as I said, is to be able to extract the pilot, which is in you, more than to just be raced on a track. So no matter how skilled you are, you don't need to be Sebastian Vettel to drive a 488 Pista. You can be one of our clients. We look at electrification, hybridization of our cars in terms of performance. We have already done our laboratory technological innovation car with Ferrari. So that is a technology we know, a technology we master, and as long as it's improving the performance and the driving emotion and the fun to drive, it will probably be a technology that will also find its place on the range.